Yo, what's up guys, Matt VSNNL here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a run/walk GUI. So let's begin. First we want to go into starter GUI, click screen GUI, and let's call it run/walk let's just call it that. And then we're going to do frame. And we're gonna get the position. It's gonna be 1 minus 100. And then again, 1 comma minus 100. So it goes all the way in the middle or corner for all devices. We're gonna do it like that. Let's just make it a little smaller too. And it fits on all devices. Yep. Alright, and then we're gonna add a text button to it. What I mostly just do is put it like that a little. There we go. And plus we're gonna make the frame background drop shadow. And then this text button we're gonna put here, and we're gonna call it run, so we know it's the run button. And I like to make it a Gotham bold, text scaled, and a Roblox button, text stroke transparency 0, and text color 3 is gonna be just white. So now we're gonna duplicate it and we're gonna call it walk, because players also need a walk. And plus at the run, let it say run or whatever you want, like sprint. And then we're gonna call this walk. So we're gonna add a local script inside of run, and we're gonna do script.parent dot mouse button 1 click connect and function. So whenever a player clicks the button, like the run button, it's gonna do this script, and we're gonna do game.players dot local player dot character dot humanoid dot walk speed equals 32. It's the double of the normal speed. So this is gonna run the player, his character, and the humanoid, because if I just insert myself in here, let's just insert myself, and we spawn our 15. He's gonna be right here, and in every character there is a humanoid, and there is the all of that. So now we can delete Matt again. We can go in here, and the walk speed, make sure the S and the W is also capital, and is 32, not double is, because it will cause an error. Alright, so let's add a local script in walk, and we're gonna do the same script.parent, or if you want to make it quicker, just copy and paste it and put it in and make it 16, but I'm just gonna write it because I like writing. Connect function, there we go, game.players local player character the humanoid the walk speed equals 16. So now if we play the game, it should work, and if I put an error in it, please forgive me. Alright, so now it's 32, so they're running fast, and if we press walk, it's normal speed, and it's just gonna do this over and over again. So with run, we go really fast. And with walk, we go normal speed. And if you want to change the speed of the run like to 1000 or something. So if you do want to change the speed of your run and walk GUI, please just go in the script, and instead of walk speed is 32 or walk speed is 16, just change it to however you want. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. We're on a road to 200 subscribers, and I love you all, appreciate you all, and I see you all. Goodbye.